Going vegan. What's it all about? Are you curious about veganism? Maybe you want to improve your health. Perhaps you want to help animals, or maybe you want to protect our planet. Going vegan can help you do all of these things. A vegan diet is all about eating plant-based foods. This means fruits, veggies, grains, nuts, and seeds are your new go-tos. Saying goodbye to animal products might seem hard at first, but don't worry, there are plenty of easy swaps you can make. Try almond milk instead of cow's milk. Explore tofu scramble instead of eggs. Enjoy some veggie burgers instead of beef. Going vegan is a journey. Start small. Try incorporating one vegan meal a day, then add another. Before you know it, you'll be amazed by how easy and delicious vegan eating can be. Remember, every step you take towards a vegan lifestyle makes a difference. You're doing great. Power up your plate. Essential nutrients for vegans. You've decided to go vegan. That's fantastic. Now, let's make sure you're getting all the nutrients you need to thrive. A well-planned vegan diet is full of vitamins and minerals, but there are a few key nutrients to pay extra attention to. Protein is important for building and repairing tissues. You can find it in lentils, beans, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and nuts. Don't forget about leafy green vegetables. They offer a good amount of protein too. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy and a healthy nervous system. It's mainly found in animal products. Since you're going vegan, it's a good idea to take a B12 supplement. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Leafy greens, beans, lentils, and fortified cereals are excellent sources. To help your body absorb iron better, pair these foods with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits. Calcium builds strong bones and teeth. You can find it in plant-based milk, tofu, fortified orange juice, and leafy greens. Omega-3 fatty acids are great for heart and brain health. Flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds are excellent sources of this essential nutrient. Vegan eating on the go. Meal planning made easy. Meal planning is your secret weapon for staying energized and satisfied on a vegan diet. It doesn't have to be complicated. Start by sketching out your meals for the week. This will help you stay organized and avoid last-minute trips to the grocery store. Breakfast can be as simple as overnight oats with berries and nuts, or a smoothie packed with fruits, veggies, and plant-based milk. For lunch, try a hearty salad with quinoa or lentils, or a veggie wrap with hummus and avocado. Dinner is a great time to get creative. Whip up a flavorful stir-fry with tofu and your favorite veggies, or enjoy a lentil soup with a side of crusty bread. Don't forget about snacks. Keep your energy levels high between meals with fruits, nuts, veggie sticks with hummus, or a handful of trail mix. Pro tip: spend an hour or two on the weekend prepping some meals or ingredients in advance. This will save you time and energy during the week. Shopping for your vegan kitchen. Grocery shopping as a vegan is easier than you might think. Most supermarkets now offer a wide array of plant-based products. Start by exploring the produce section. Load up your cart with fresh fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and herbs. Next, head to the bulk foods aisle. This is a treasure trove for affordable grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Stock up on staples like rice, quinoa, lentils, beans, almonds, and walnuts. Don't be afraid to venture into the international aisle. You'll find interesting ingredients like coconut milk, curry pastes, and unique spices to add flavor to your dishes. Many supermarkets have dedicated sections for vegan and vegetarian products. Here you can find plant-based milk, yogurt alternatives, vegan cheeses, meatless burgers, and more. Section 5. Veganism in the wild, navigating social situations. Going vegan doesn't mean you have to miss out on social gatherings or dining out with friends. With a little planning, you can easily navigate these situations. When going to a restaurant, check the menu online beforehand to see if they have vegan options. If not, don't be afraid to call ahead and ask. Many restaurants are happy to accommodate dietary restrictions. Attending a potluck? Offer to bring a vegan dish. This way, you'll be sure to have something delicious to eat. Plus, it's a great opportunity to share your favorite plant-based recipes with friends. If someone asks you about your vegan lifestyle, be open and honest about your reasons. Share your passion for animals, the environment, or your health. You might even inspire someone else to make compassionate choices. Section 6. Vegan Resources, your guides to plant-powered living. Embarking on a vegan journey is exciting, and you don't have to do it alone. There's a wealth of resources available to support you every step of the way. The internet is a goldmine of information. Explore reputable vegan blogs and websites for recipes, nutritional tips, and inspiring stories. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are buzzing with vegan influencers sharing delicious food photos, helpful advice, and a sense of community. Consider joining online vegan communities and forums. Connecting with fellow vegans is a great way to share experiences, swap recipes, and find support. Don't underestimate the power of books. Many authors have penned insightful and informative guides on veganism, covering everything from nutrition to ethical considerations. Remember, you're part of a growing movement of compassionate individuals. Embrace the support and let it fuel your journey. Section 7. Vegan Recipes. Quick, delicious, and good for you. One of the best parts of going vegan is discovering a world of delicious plant-based recipes. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with flavorful dishes that are good for you and the planet. Start your day with a stack of fluffy vegan pancakes made with plant-based milk and banana. Craving something savory? Whip up a tofu scramble with turmeric and veggies for a protein-packed breakfast. For lunch, enjoy a refreshing salad with quinoa, chickpeas, and a lemon tahini dressing. Or try a hearty lentil soup with crusty bread for a comforting and satisfying meal. Dinner is a great time to experiment with different cuisines. Make a flavorful Thai curry with coconut milk, tofu, and veggies. Or try a classic vegan chili with beans, lentils, and a sprinkle of vegan cheese. Don't forget about dessert. Indulge in a slice of vegan chocolate cake made with avocado or black beans, or enjoy a scoop of dairy-free ice cream. Section 8. The vegan body health benefits you can expect. Choosing a vegan lifestyle isn't just good for the animals and the planet, it's also an incredible gift to your body. Get ready to experience a whole range of health benefits. One of the most noticeable changes you might experience is increased energy levels. Plant-based foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which provide your body with sustained energy throughout the day. A vegan diet is naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can contribute to a healthier heart. Studies have shown that vegans tend to have lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of heart disease. Eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides your body with antioxidants and fiber, which can boost your immune system and protect against chronic diseases. Many people experience improvements in their digestion and gut health after going vegan. Plant-based foods are rich in fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Section 9. Veganism and the planet. Your impact matters. Every time you sit down to eat, you have the power to make a difference for the planet. Choosing a vegan lifestyle is one of the most impactful ways to reduce your environmental footprint. Animal agriculture is a leading contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, which are driving climate change. By choosing plant-based foods, you're significantly reducing your carbon footprint. Producing meat, dairy, and eggs requires massive amounts of land, water, and energy. Shifting to a vegan diet helps conserve these precious resources for future generations. Factory farming practices are a major source of water pollution. Animal waste contaminates waterways, harming aquatic life and ecosystems. Choosing plant-based alternatives helps protect our water sources. By embracing a vegan lifestyle, you're aligning your values with a more sustainable and compassionate future for all. Section 10. You've got this. Embracing the vegan journey. Congratulations on taking the leap towards a kinder, healthier, and more sustainable lifestyle. It's an exciting journey filled with delicious food, new discoveries, and the joy of making a difference. Remember, going vegan is a process, not a destination. Start small, be kind to yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Don't be afraid to ask for help or support when you need it. The vegan community is vast and welcoming. Embrace the abundance of plant-based foods available to you. Experiment with new recipes, explore different cuisines, and have fun in the kitchen. As you nourish your body with plant-based goodness, you'll be amazed by the positive changes you experience. Your energy levels will soar, your taste buds will dance, and your heart will be filled with the satisfaction of living in alignment with your values. You've got this. Welcome to the wonderful world of veganism.